So I've come across some very interesting rain gardens here in the City of London, near Aldgate Tube Station. You can see how the water runs in here from the drain and actually from the streets as well. Now, the substrate they seem to have used looks a bit like an extensive green roof substrate. Mix of wildflowers, yeah, mainly horticultural. The ragwort's got in, which is a good thing. Cool, and in the shadow of the Gherkin, we need more rain gardens all across our cities, all across England and all across the world. Sustainable urban drainage in action. So if you enjoyed this video, there's plenty more nature-based solutions, green roof and green wall videos on my YouTube channel. So check it out.